Welcome back to this video. If you use Chrome browser, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end, because in this video I will show you essential security setting in order to secure your Chrome browser from hacker or phishing website. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following into this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing we want to do is to head over to our Chrome browser. I'm going to click on my Chrome right here. So having opened my Chrome browser, I'm going to simply create a new tab right here. Then right here, I'm going to type a particular website right here. So I'll click and hold down. I'll paste the web address right here. So take a look at this particular address right here. I'm going to simply visit the site. I'll click on search. And now you see the site open. Okay, now for you to be sure that your website and you can see now that the site actually open. So why this site is open right here is because this Chrome is not being secure, because this URL here is not a genuine URL. Now when you secure your Chrome browser, this type of URL will never open. Okay, now what we want to do now to secure our Chrome browser is to simply click on these three dots right here. And the next thing we need to do is to simply scroll down and we make sure we go to settings. Then I'll get into settings, we scroll down and we go to privacy and security. Then it takes us right here. Next thing we need to do is to simply scroll down and then we make sure we turn on this button. This is one of the first security you can give your Chrome browser. Having turned on this button, next thing you need to do is to go to Safe Browsing. Then make sure you choose Enhanced Protection. Real-time AI power protection against dangerous websites. Downloads an extension that based on your browsing data getting sent to Google. So make sure you enable that. Now let's simply go back to the browser page. Now by the time I refresh this same page right here, you will see that so the same website, I'm going to create a new tab again. Then I'll click and hold down. I will paste. So the same, so you can see the same website URL right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on the link. Then you have the results right here. As you can see, this particular URL does not support a secure connection. So when you have a warning like this, it is advisable that you stop visiting the site.